Hi guys! Good morning! Since it's Saturday, at syempre maaga pa akong gumising. Ayan, samahan niyo ako magawa ng early breakfast ko today. Ayan. Kamusta naman kayo dyan? So, eto na nga. Titingin ako ng madaling breakfast for today. Syempre, punta tayo sa recipe natin. Recipe book. There you go. Ayan. Pipili muna ako guys. Then, samahan niyo akong gawin itong breakfast na to. Madali lang to. Ayan. It's a light breakfast. No, it's a light breakfast na pwede nating makain in the morning. Yan. Ito, ayan, cereal with some fruits. Yan, ito na lang gagawin ko guys. Kailangan ko lang is some fruits. Ayan, kukunin natin yan siya sa fridge. Yan, what fruits we can have para sa cereal. Actually, it's an oatmeal, right? Sorry, oatmeal pala. Sige. Ayan, kailangan ko ng some yogurt. Yogurt and some fruits. Ayan, banana and strawberry and some berries. Ayan. Ito lang yung mga kailangan ko. Siguro hindi na ako kuha ng kahit ano sa pantry. Ayan. First, I'm going to cut the fruits muna, guys. Strawberries ang unahin natin. Ayan. Let's chop this. Diba? Fresh na fresh ang strawberry natin. From the grocery. Ayan. Next naman natin is yung banana. I-cut out natin. Ito, banana. Ayan. Napaka-healthy nitong banana. At marami siyang benefits sa katawan, guys. Ayan. Then, imimix lang natin siya together sa isang bowl. Ayan. And there you go, may easy breakfast. Syempre medyo healthy din tayo pag may time. Since it's too early and it's Saturday, wala masyadong ganap. Sobrang sarap ng breakfast ko guys. So again, thank you so much sa pagsabi niyo sa akin. That's all for today. Thank you so much. Bye! I'm gonna enjoy my breakfast first. Bye guys!